Hello again, ladies. Welcome back to The Big Sweep. I'm Kelly, and today I have a closet organization challenge that's been driving me crazy. I need your help to transform this chaotic mess into a fashion paradise. So, pretty please, help me organize my closet. We've got 17 expert tips lined up for you today, so make sure to stick around until the end. Voila! Here's my disaster zone. It's time to bring order to this chaos. Let's start with tip number 1. Tip number 1 is to invest in matching hangers. This instantly makes your closet look more organized. Swap out those mismatched ones for uniform hangers, and poof! What a difference, right? For tip number 2, it's all about folding. Neatly folded clothes take up less space and look much better. Marie Kondo would be proud. Number 3 is to use clear shoe boxes to keep your footwear in check. This helps prevent scuffing and makes it easier to find the perfect pair for your outfit. Tip number 4, organize your jewelry. There's nothing worse than a tangled mess. Invest in jewelry organizers to keep your accessories in perfect harmony. Moving on to tip number 5, categorize your clothes. Group similar items together, pants with pants, dresses with dresses. It will be a breeze to find what you need in a hurry. Tip number 6, bins and baskets. These are your secret weapons for hidden storage and clutter control. Tip number 7 is all about hooks. Wall hooks can be a lifesaver for bags, scarves, and accessories. Super handy. Tip number 8, use labels. Whether it's for bins, drawers, or shelves, labels help you quickly locate what you need. Tip number 9, add a clothing rack. It's like having your own little boutique in your closet, and it's perfect for showcasing your favorite pieces. Tip number 10, a full-length mirror. It's not just for checking your outfit, it makes your space feel larger and more elegant. Tip number 11, color code your wardrobe. It's not only visually pleasing, but makes it easier to put together stunning outfits. Tip number 12 is to use shelf dividers. They're fantastic for keeping stacks of clothes, bags, or accessories in order. Tip number 13, storage boxes for seasonal items. Keep your winter coats and summer dresses organized and out of the way when you don't need them. Tip number 14, vacuum sealing. This is a game changer for maximizing space while protecting your clothes. Tip number 15, a step stool. Don't let those high shelves go to waste. Use a step stool to access them easily. Tip number 16 is velvet hangers. This small investment prevents clothes from slipping off, and it's a fantastic space-saving solution. As in tip number 1, when the hangers all look the same, the whole closet looks tidier and more organized. And finally, tip number 17, a laundry hamper inside your closet. It keeps dirty clothes out of sight until laundry day. Let us know in the comments below which of these 17 expert tips are your favorites. Also, share with us any tips you may have to transform your closet into a stylish haven. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss any fantastic content. Click here to transform your whole room from chaos to tranquility in just one day. Thanks for visiting The Big Sweep, and see you next time.